Hey, this is Mike Olden, and I would like to share with you the flush mount hydraulic strut gate. This gate is fantastic as it is flush against the back of the body and allows you to use the understructure for towing for your seasonal color and pine straw. It's just as simple as walking backwards to open this baby up. Very minimal body effort at all. I did not have to fight the gate thanks to the struts. The gate itself is rated for 1,500 combined, 750 individual ramp weights. How do I put it up? Very simple and easy. I just bend down, grab it, and walk forward. This thing is actually pulling me to the body. Lock our first sequence, our second sequence, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. 404-379-7352.